coalition of the many. The budget for any war should be less than a penny. Thousands of rallies, millions of us, shine in a spotlight, kicking up the dust. No kings is the heart of this thing. We march for democracy and the fairness it brings. No kings, royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. Time to clear the air and reverse the denial. Impeachment is near if we release all the files. Troops on the ground on our own city streets is a blight of a sight. Time to turn down the heat. No kings, royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. No kings. And so we march on the pavement of platform to get rid of dawn. Nonviolent action, safety is key. Act with kindness, not like a dictator wannabe. This is America, not Moscow in the South. Time to speak up, free the truth from our mouths. No kings, royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. No kings, humanity has wings, as you will soon find out. Human dignity is here, a coalition of the many. The budget for any war should be less than a penny. Thousands of rallies, millions of us, shine in a spotlight, kicking up the dust. No kings is the heart of this thing. We march for democracy and the fairness it brings. No kings, royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. Time to clear the air and reverse the denial. Impeachment is near if we release all the files. Troops on the ground on our own city streets is a blight of a sight. Time to turn down the heat. No kings, royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. No kings. And so we march on the pavement of platform to get rid of dawn. Nonviolent action, safety is key. Act with kindness, not like a dictator wannabe. This is America, not Moscow in the South. Time to speak up, free the truth from our mouths. No kings, royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. No kings, humanity has wings, as you will soon find out.
Okay, now this time it's your opportunity to sing the whole thing along with me. I had very poor voice now, but let's do it anyway. Human dignity is here, a coalition of the many. The budget for any war should be less than a penny. Thousands of rallies, millions of us, shine in a spotlight, kicking up the dust. No kings is the heart of this thing. We march for democracy and the fairness it brings. No kings. Royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out.
Time to clear the air
and reverse the denial. Impeachment is near if we release all the files. Troops on the ground and our own city streets. It's a bipartisan sight. Time to turn down the heat. No kings. Royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants a throne, he should be thrown out. No kings. And so we march on the pavement, our platform, to get rid of dawn. Non-violent action, safety is key. Act with kindness, not like a dictator wannabe. This is America, not Moscow in the South. Time to speak up, free the truth from our mouth. No kings! Royalty is not allowed. If a leader wants the throne, he should be thrown out. No kings. Humanity has wings, as you will soon find out. This is Jackie McKenzie. My friend Buddy Winston wrote this song here in Ecuador, and a tribute to all those who marched and didn't fight, didn't argue, didn't do anything, but hold each other's hearts and souls together. Thank you, bless all of you.